Mike MDs, today we have this 2026 BMW M3 Competition, and the customer wanted to put some wheel spacers in here, give it a nice little stance, and the bolts that were sold to him, the lug bolts, were the wrong pitch. So on the left side here, let's go over here, one of the lug bolts got stripped out because the pitch on the thread was a little different than what it was supposed to have. So he only messed up one on each wheel. He realized it and was able to correct it. For the rest of them are fine. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna chase the threads on this thing and put the wheel back on and torque it. And if it torques down after chasing the threads with a tap, then he's good to go. But if it does not torque down, meaning once it reaches the torque, if it keeps spinning, then it's gonna have to replace the complete, the flange behind here. So we're gonna do that right now, start chasing the threads out and see if this guy's gonna luck out. Hopefully he does. All right, we're gonna go for it here. This is a 14 by 1.25 pitch here, it matches perfectly. It's a little tough. Just do little by little. All right, it's starting to feel pretty good here. All right. All right, let's see if this thing goes in nice and smooth. Still looks a little rough in there. A little bit of play. The real test is when we go to torque it back down. Let's compare it to one of the other ones here. A little bit of play too, not as much, but it might luck out. Okay, let's work on the front. All right, this front one doesn't look as good as the back, so let's see. Well, it looks can be deceiving. It's going in easier than the back one, actually. Don't know if that's good or bad. Back it out a little bit here. All right, it's quite a bit of material came off on that one. Look at that, that's quite a bit right there. Not looking too good. Let's blow this thing out and test it out with one of the lug bolts. All right. All right, goes in nice and easy here. A little bit of play, pretty much the same as if it wasn't damaged. Yeah, just a little bit more play on that one. All right, let's put the wheel on here and torque it down. All right, so I have the car on the ground, not all the weight on it because they're not torqued down, just like maybe half of the weight of the car. And I already looked up the torque spec. It's at 140, which is pretty high. Usually I set the other cars to 130, but I wanted to look it up just in case because this is very important. And we're going to set it right now to 140 Newton meters, that is. So that is right there. Right there. There it is. All right, let's try it out. Cross your fingers. All right, now I'm going to do the other ones first, and I'll do that top one last, which the top one is the one that has the problem. It's pretty tight. All right, here we go. Cross your fingers. Let's see. Take it nice and easy. All right, we made it. You lucked out there on that one. Let's try the front.
No big deal.
Yeah.
And the new sensor has an O-ring. So
Yeah. All right, here we go. Oh man, that's nice. All right, this guy totally lucked out. Otherwise, we had to replace the wheel bearing with flange on both the left. And this is a brand new car, so they're not going to have those parts. I mean, it's literally brand new. There's barely any miles on this thing. It would have had to been probably direct ship, galactic back order from Germany. So really happy. This guy's going to be really excited because he was really worried about it. But he will have to take it easy. Every time someone removes these wheels, he's going to have to tell them to not use any impact going in, especially. Even going out with it, you got to be careful with it because you can spin the threads out. Those threads are compromised, but right now they're holding spec, and as long as he's careful, it should last the life of the vehicle. So, well, thank you for joining me on this video. If you like these type of videos, hit the subscribe button. I'll see you on the next one. Happy motoring to you. Look how beautiful this car is here. Very nice.